Commemorative Air Force CAF Inland Empire Wing is a dedicated group of volunteers based at Riverside Municipal Airport, 6936 Flight Road, Riverside, California. Their mission is to honor and preserve World War II aviation history through education, restoration, and flight experiences. Aircraft and Museum. The Inland Empire Wing's hangar, located in Hangar S, houses several historic aircraft. Sky Trooper D-Day doll. This aircraft participated in major World War II operations, including D-Day and the Battle of the Bulge. It offers public flights during special events, such as the annual Christmas light flights over Riverside. T-6 Harvard II, a trainer aircraft used during WWII. L-4 Scout, a liaison and reconnaissance aircraft. PT-22, a primary trainer aircraft, has also been in the museum. The museum is open to the public, Tuesday to Friday, 10:00 a.m. to 2:00 p.m. first Saturday of each month, 8:00 a.m. 12:00 p.m. Admission is free with donations accepted. Events and membership. Hangar Days, held on the first Saturday of each month, offering a chance to visit the hangar and meet volunteers. Monthly membership meetings, held on the second Wednesday of each month from 5:30 p.m. to 8:00 p.m., featuring a $20 dinner and discussions on aviation history and restoration efforts. Century Club, a membership program where individuals commit $100 annually to support the maintenance and operation of D-Day doll. For more information, to plan a visit, or to become a member, visit their official website, inlandempirecaf.com. You can also follow them on Facebook. Commemorative Air Force Inland Empire Wing. Feel free to ask if you'd like assistance planning a visit or learning more about their events and programs.